Leciliśmy z Martą na Filipiny do takiego światowego centrum uzdrawiania po inspirację, po nauki i chciałem zaprosić Was na spotkanie, na wywiad z Jame Licauco, który chyba jest najwybitniejszym badaczem zjawisk paranormalnych. Wie wszystko na temat uzdrawiania parapsychicznego. Zbadał ogromną ilość przypadków tak zwanych filipińskich operacji bezkrwawych. No i jest to niesamowita okazja, żeby dowiedzieć się więcej na temat uzdrawiania i na temat możliwości ludzkiego umysłu. So Jame, thank you very much for agreeing to this interview. I've just introduced that you are probably the best known person in the world who devoted his entire life to searching for secrets of human existence, brain and spirit mainly, you have investigated uncountable numbers of psychic surgeries provided by Filipinos healers, right? So how this started? Why did you devote your entire life to healing?
Okay. Actually, it started as a curiosity. I was curious. I've seen certain phenomena, and I've read certain phenomena that cannot be explained by science. And this is happening not only in the Philippines, this phenomena can be found all over the world. So I wanted to find out what is the truth behind all this. Like ghosts, do they exist? What happens after life? Certain people have certain powers, which others don't have. This is true. And I tried to find out the reason behind it. Is there a reason, or is this just imagination? Is this true or not? So that was really out of curiosity. I wanted to find answers for myself, because I could not find answers in the literature, in society. They don't bother about these things because it's not scientific and all that. And everybody is saying, oh, all of these things are nonsense, or all fraudulent, and it's not true. So my approach to the study of this phenomena is not like in the United States, which is would call empirical or pragmatic or scientific. My approach to this is, I would call phenomenological, meaning that I immerse myself into the phenomenon and examine it or analyze it from inside, not from the outside. And so I wanted to find out how people can walk on fire. So what they do, I walked on fire.
Did you?
And I did not get burned. I did.
Okay.
I walked on fire, and I was not burned. I did many crazy things just to experiment. And one of the most amazing things that I underwent was there is a group in the Philippines that initiates you into the realm of amulets and talisman to protect you from bullet wounds and all that. The way they do it is they have a bolo or a sword, 21 inches, a razor sharp, and they hit you or strike you 6 times, 6 parts of your body. 3 here on the thigh, and 3 here on the stomach. And it is with a force that's enough to cut your body into half.
No way.
It's this, and you can see the force. In fact, after the 3rd man, they have to rest because it's strenuous for them. I underwent this.
You're crazy.
Yes, I am crazy. You are absolutely correct. That's what people call me. Thank you.
But then there is this phenomena of Filipino healers.
Yes,
right?
that's one.
Which is, Philippines is a special place in the world. And you know this, I know this, there is the only one place in the earth where they do this surgery using only hands, without
Exactly.
a knife, without
anything.
anything.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So why Philippines, and what do you know about this phenomenon?
Why the Philippines is difficult to answer, but then if you look at the other countries like Brazil. Brazil has exactly the same methodology except for surgery, except that they use knives or instruments to open the body. The Filipinos use only the hand. That's the only difference. And if you look at the world, the atlas, the whole world, if the Philippines here, it is the world, Brazil is exactly opposite in the other side of the world.
Okay.
Exactly.
Wow.
If you trace a line, you will exit in Brazil.
Okay.
So I think that's one factor, that there is a similarity of the energy in the two places. And then also, another thing is that Brazil was influenced by the school of Allan Kardec, the French, how do you call it, spiritist, or channel, or mediumship. And he wrote two books, the Book of Spirits and the Book of Mediums. These books were translated into the Filipino language and being used also by the Unión Espiritista Cristiana de Filipinas. Most, if 90% or 99% of our hearers were once members or began this study as a member of the Unión Espiritista Cristiana of the Filipinas. And so there is this, again, you can see here the connection between Brazil and the Philippines.
Okay.
They are mediums. They are not taught how to do psychosurgery. According to them, nobody can teach psychosurgery. You're chosen by the spirit. So in a group, let's say of 50 people in the Spiritista, maybe one will be given the gift of psychosurgery. The others will be able to heal by magnetic healing or touch by hands and all that, or by prayer. But only a few will be given that gift, privilege, or the gift of psychosurgery. It's given by you don't choose to be a healer. I mean, to be a psychosurgeon, it's you're chosen. So that's how they explain this to me. So out of this, because of my innate curiosity, I've done so many things, and I've gone to so many places here, trying to investigate this. I thought, is it true? So now I have the answers. Other people still are questioning it, but they cannot answer because they never studied it. The Philippine Medical Association, the Department of Health in the Philippines dismissed this as nonsense. The Catholic Church thinks it's the work of the devil. so it's not accepted in the Philippines as a general, especially the educated, so-called educated people don't believe in this. But the phenomenon is real.